Hey bitches, Chelsea here, and I found this hairdryer dumpster diving yesterday, and I hope to fucking God Almighty it works. Will this hairdryer work? Your girl doesn't know, but we're about to find out together. Plug out the shit. Plug in the shit. You hear that? Let's see. Who the fuck would throw a perfect good hairdryer? It works perfectly. Let's go. Okay, I'll bust it again. Hold on. It works. Nothing's even wrong with it. And yet, a charity shop or thrift store is throwing this shit away. And it's perfectly fine. I'm fucking blown away by this, no pun intended. This hairdryer works perfectly. I'm blown away, no pun intended. Okay, one more time. I'm heating up your dinner. I'm heating up your dinner. I'm heating up your dinner. I'm heating.